Here is how you can use one sketch and only extrude a selected shape. Let's create the master sketch first. Select the Part Design workbench and create a new sketch. Click on a plane to sketch on. And select the Circle to Center tool. Click on the horizontal axis and draw the circle. Enter a diameter of 20 millimeters, for example, and press Enter. Also draw a centered rectangle on the horizontal axis. To add the dimensions, enter a number. Press Tab, enter the other number, and press Enter to apply. Click on Close to exit the sketch. When you select the pad feature to extrude both shapes, it can result in this error. Click on OK and on Cancel to exit the menu. What will work is selecting one shape and extruding it. The error appears because of extruding multiple shapes at once. Now expand the pad feature and make the sketch visible by clicking the eye icon next to it. Select the rectangular shape while holding the Control key. Go to the Pad tool, leave all settings, and click on OK. The same error appears. Click on OK and on Cancel to exit the menu. Consider subscribing if you like my content. Thanks. To solve the error, select the body. Or right-click it and go to Properties. In this example, the Property menu is always visible after selecting. To solve the error, make sure the Allow Compound box is checked. Select the rectangular shape again while holding the Control key. Go to the Pad tool, enter a different length and click on OK. And now it works. A second pad has been created. Edit the master sketch and draw a new circle at the origin. Enter a diameter of 20 millimeters, for example, and press Enter. Click on Close to exit the sketch. Now make the master sketch visible again and select this circle. Select the Pad tool, enter a different length and click on OK. And a third pad has been created from one master sketch. So the Allow Compound feature is something you may always want to turn on. You can do this in the Model Settings of the Part Design tab in the Preferences menu. You might also want to check out my 3D printing channel. See you there. And if you like music, you might also want to check out this channel.